Like you're sweeping a broom. That wasn't quite right.
Mom, I want to make a family of them. Yeah.
Let's see what I mean about the bratty. Sometimes she just gets a little bratty. I'm going to give the kids the 5-minute warning. Hey kiddos, whatever you got out, it's time to pick up. Children, whatever you've gotten out to play with, it's time to put it away.
How come it won't do it?
You said the one, stick it in the middle. You gotta push all the way, shuffle all the way to the end. You know the orange thing at the bottom? You see?
Yeah.
There you go.
So are you and Shin both permanent United States citizens?
Mhm. Yes.
Did you have to take like a citizenship test and all that stuff a long time ago?
Yeah. I think.
And you still have
years ago.
a sister and a brother here, and then you still have a sister in
No, only a brother.
Malaysia or China?
One brother in Taiwan.
One brother.
Mhm.
And 2 family members here.
2 here and then 2 in Houston.
2?
I mean 1 here. 1 here.
1 sister here.
Mhm.
And a brother and a sister in Houston?
Yeah.
So there's 4 of you here in
In the States.
the States.